The national conversation right now is dominated by uncertainty. Interest rates, inflation, and cost of living pressures. But the reality on the ground is more often a nuance than the hard line suggests. We recently released our macroeconomic and property outlook with Urbis, and one of the key findings reinforced something we see every day through our own pipeline and conversations with borrowers. Growth across Australia isn't happening evenly. It's being driven by specific markets with strong underlying fundamentals. Queensland, South Australia and Western Australia continue to stand out. South Australia is currently operating 8.7% above the long-run economic average. Western Australia remains the nation's strongest performing economy. Across both states, residential vacancy rates sit below 1%, well below the national average of 1 to 2%. Queensland continues to attract interstate migration at scale, whilst infrastructure investment leading into the 2032 Olympics is helping create long-term economic legacy. Underpinning all of this is population growth. More people mean greater demand for housing, services, infrastructure. The challenge is that supply simply isn't keeping pace with demand, and that's an imbalance we expect to persist for years to come. As a lender, this is exactly the context we focus on, not the headlines, but the fundamentals: sponsors' capability, project location, and a clear pathway to completion. At Arc Capital, that's how we operate, backing quality sponsors in the right locations, supported by fundamentals, not sentiment.